back to my channel. Today I am making this salad with yogurt tahini dressing. It's creamy yet healthy. Let's get started.
We will start by adding half cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of tahini paste, 1 clove of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, black pepper and salt to taste. Whisk until well combined. So let's plate our salad. In a glass or bowl, add chopped pepper, add a layer of protein, two tablespoons of the dressing, few salad leaves, chopped walnuts and grapes. Our salad is ready. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.